Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you could transfer a small or large file from your cell phone to your PC or vice versa. And by the way, this also works on a tablet. So stick around and let me show you how it's done.
So, how often have you tried transferring files? Whether it's just an image, half a dozen images, a small video, or even a very large video, and you find it to be tedious, tiring, frustrating, aggravating, just the process or even the thought of just having to connect cables to your computer or to use an app that shows to be useless. Well, I'm going to show you how you could transfer a file. Let's start with a large file within seconds. Nothing tedious about it, nothing tiring. And the best thing is that after you remove the file, after you transfer the file, you can erase it right from your phone and save some storage space for new videos. And you can do that with all your videos or all your images. But videos are the ones that take up the most space on your phone, your tablet, PC, etc. So, let me show you how it's done. So right now, here's an image of my cell phone. I'm using an Android. This works on an Android. This works on the iOS and Apple. Your tablets, your personal computer, your laptop. So this is what you want to do. Alright, so first of all, you want to get to the app, and here's the app, and maybe you don't know what the app is called, but anyway, it is called Dropbox. This app is phenomenal, and it's very simple. So the way I do it is I jump right into my files, and I already have the files open. So I go right to my videos. So I'm gonna click this video right here. Let me erase that. I'm gonna click this video right here. What's up, Drew? And I'm gonna hold that down, and I'm going to share. Like I said, my phone's a little slow because there's a lot of storage. I haven't cleared it up. Ironic, isn't it? And then what you want to do is you're going to go scroll down to your Dropbox app right here. You're going to click on it. Now watch how fast this uploads. It's amazing. Alright, and then you're just going to press add. The screen will clear up. You're going to close your gallery, shut it off, and then you're going to go to your app and you're going to click on it, and then there it is right on the top. See, uploading 1 of 1. And mind you, that was a 4-minute video. I've uploaded 15, 20, 30-minute videos. And it happens within seconds. Maybe more or less, it sometimes takes slightly a little longer, depending on the size. But most videos that even large videos, have transferred quickly. Okay, so now you see how easy it is. Alright, so now let's jump on a PC. I'm going to disconnect the air server. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to disconnect that. Alright, bear with me for 1 second as I close this off. There it is. So now I am disconnected from it. See, air server. By the way, you should get that app. I got it on Chrome Store, and it's amazing. Okay, so now we are going to transfer over to and open up new window here. Actually, you don't have to open up that window. You're just going to go to your Dropbox, and there she is right there. Okay, and remember I told you within seconds, right? So you're going to go home, and you should see it right here on the top. There it is right there. That's the file we just downloaded or uploaded, that is. Okay, so there it is. Okay, now if you wanted to, let's say, transfer, and like I said, that works with any size file. I mean, it's never failed me with any file. Now if you wanted to transfer, let's just say, a file from your computer, all you got to do is open up a window or open up Dropbox, upload it to the computer, then you're going to go to your phone. Right, so let's just say let's go with this right here, 1930s hairstyle. Not that I am into that, whatever. And you really don't have to do anything. All you got to do is take it and just drag it and let it go. pick the folder you want to put it in, and so I have several here. So I will upload it to, let's just say, my workspace. Upload. That's it. Now let's go back onto the cell phone or onto my Android, and like I said, it works on the Android, it works on the iOS, it works on your tablet, your laptop, etc. Okay, so let me open up, let me go back to the Air server, that way I can show you. Alright, I'm going to connect my phone again, so just bear with me for 1 second. Okay, alright, and like I said, this app is amazing, and it really is such a blessing, because before it used to literally take me a long time to connect the cable into your computer, and then sometimes your computer crashes, and it's such a bloody headache. So here it goes. Alright, so I'm connecting, I'm starting now, and I'm going to show you. We're going to go right to, there it is, Air server, excuse me. We're going to go right back to your Dropbox, and remember the video, the 1930s, right? I sent it, right? There it is right there. See? It's right there, and all I got to do is just download that to my phone. So if I click on there it is, it's playing. I'm going to press, because I'm not going to download it, and it gives you the option, let's see, you have to export it, and it's going to allow you to export it, and you're going to put save to this device, Android, whatever, Bluetooth, whatever you want. So I'm not going to do that because I transferred to the computer. So I'm going to disconnect from the Air server and go back to the PC. Okay, so as you see, so you might want to get this. It's from Chrome, and it's universal. It works with, you know, just about having no problems with any of the phones. Okay, so go back here, and there it is. So like I said, it works with any size file. It's never failed me not once. Now, if you wanted to find out more or less about Dropbox, I could guarantee Dropbox will blow away Microsoft One and whatever other upload file services that there are available, which in my opinion, I've tried several and they all do not work as great as Dropbox. And literally Dropbox takes seconds, as you've seen for yourself. Okay, just to let you know again, I am not an affiliate at all. By any means, I'm not promoting this. I just think that it is a great app or a great service to add to your repertoire. It would make things so much easier, especially if you are a YouTuber, or if you're a student, or if you're a photographer, etc. It really is great to have. And here, let's just jump right into the site really quick, because I know you probably got things to do, like, you know, probably try Dropbox for yourself. But you have two different types of Dropbox. You have the business one, okay, that one, if you have three, okay, if you have 3 users, it's got to be a minimum of 3 users in order to have that one. Yeah, you get a ton more space, but you need a minimum of 3 users, so that wouldn't really work for you as an individual. You know, it's for teams, so to speak. So the one that you want to click on is the Dropbox Professional if you're working solo. Okay, so let's just jump right here. You're going to go right to get started, and here. See, you have the plus for individuals, family for individuals, and then professionals, standards, smaller teams, larger teams, etc. So if you scroll down, 2 terabytes, 1 user. Family, 2 terabytes, 6 users. You know. Okay, so if you go all the way down, $6.99, $9.99. That's all I pay, $9.99 a month. That is absolutely nothing. That's like $2.50 a week. You know, for a service that's going to be phenomenal. That's going to take away so much time, because at the end of the day, time is more valuable than currency by far. Okay, so if you did business, if you have a team, then this is how it's going to look. See, $12.50 minimum, starting at 3 users. This is here advanced, 20, starting at 3 users, but you get a ton of space. Look at this, it's crazy. Send files to up to 100 gigabytes with Dropbox. But that is going to cost you, like I said, $20 a month for 3 users. You know, and $20 for each user, so $60. Here, $37.50 for 3 users. That's what you would pay a month. You know, if you bill yearly, whatnot. So anyway, I hope that this clarified how easy and how great Dropbox is, and how easy it is to transfer files, as you saw for yourself, to transfer files from your cell phone to your PC and vice versa, and the ease and no aggravation, no frustration. It's just, time is of the essence, and you want to save your time and use it to produce more videos, or to study more, or to take more pictures, or not have to worry, oh my god, now my phone is all clogged with clutter and I can't even upload a file because I got absolutely no space. Well, this right here is your remedy. So
for those who have a YouTube channel and those who are thinking of creating a YouTube channel, it is very important that you have a YouTube channel trailer. It is used to attract new subscribers and to inform those who are curious about what your channel is all about. So this video here will show you exactly how to get started today. So thank you all very much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the other side. Bye bye for now.